Hi there, and welcome to our video. Today the topic is, what is mindfulness? The basics of mindfulness. So it's a really great place to start because it is the foundation of everything that we're talking about on this channel. Well, it's really the foundation of life and leading your life in a more peaceful, graceful, loving, happy, more fulfilling way. So mindfulness equals awareness. Awareness of your thoughts, your actions, and the world around you. That's your drum roll. With non-judgment. Right. That's the trick. So awareness, mindfulness equals awareness of your thoughts, your actions, the world around you with non-judgment. So how the heck do you do that, right? With one thought, one moment at a time. It's a practice. Mindfulness is a practice, just like meditation is a practice. It's not something that you achieve or you conquer, you overcome. It's something that is the unfolding, right? So we're talking about the unfolding of you, of me. And when I became truly connected with what mindfulness is, that's when things really started to shift for me. I had used all kinds of other modalities, energy healing concepts, meditation to navigate my world, but until that piece of the puzzle became clarity, it was like I was navigating in the dark. So mindfulness equals awareness of your thoughts and your actions and the world around you with non-judgment. I'm going to keep saying it. I want that to go in. And we start with ourselves. We start with ourselves because what we find out is when we are judging others, when we find that we come to the knowing that we are judgers, and we flipped the switch on that and we start going within, we realize that we're judging ourselves the most. So we must start within. We must start that incredible journey within, self-love, self-care, self-mastery, and understanding, becoming aware of all these threads of our lives in non-judgment. We become the observer of our life. We step back. We're like, oh, okay, that's what that is. And it becomes a beautiful dance. Oh, the unfolding is a beautiful dance of your awareness, your connectedness. And so we start there. Simple, right? You could practice your entire life just on that one thing. Awareness of your thoughts and your actions and the world around you with non-judgment. I don't want to dilute the value of it by giving you too many other aspects or trainings or layering on of the most important part of the training, the understanding of awareness. Awareness is a little different than just thinking. It's an awakening. It's an awakening of your consciousness, of getting connected to the awareness and what it's doing on autopilot. We do really cool mindfulness meditations just to bring your mind, your awareness to each of the body parts. Something that simple. So you're working the muscle of awareness. Instead of being reactionary, it becomes more peaceful, more fluid, more joyful, more aware to navigate your life. And let me tell you, anything that's externally happening in your world is a direct reflection of what's going on inside. And I've become acutely aware of that in my own journey, and that's what I teach. So when we become aware, we can see how fast these things manifest from what's going on inside. So with that, I leave you for this particular session to just get connected with your awareness and in non-judgment, and practice that. And we'll keep practicing it together. Have a great day. Remember, nourish yourself mindfully and give from the overflow, because we must feed ourselves. We must feed ourselves, fill ourselves up before we can do that for another. If you like what you're seeing and you want more, please subscribe. Look at the links below. There are a plethora of links below for additional information and aspects of what we're doing together. And I look forward to seeing you next time. Take care.